Hello, hello, hello! My name is Chantsy and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I do quick makeup tutorials for everyday makeup looks, and I also do size 16 fashion videos when I have the time. On today's video I will be dyeing my hair with the new Moroccan Oil color depositing mask in the color rose gold. This product is relatively new to the market and there isn't a lot of other videos that I could find that talked about how long it'll last. I saw one video where the girl in her comments had said that it lasted about a week after 3 washes. So I have really thick hair and I believe I'll be going through probably most of this container because it says to use a generous amount. This retails for approximately $40 to $50 depending. I purchased mine at Hair Republic in Ottawa and they are a Moroccan Oil partnered salon. So essentially the Moroccan Oil color depositing mask is a temporary color deep conditioning treatment. So not only will it color your hair in gorgeous colors, by the way, the rose gold is like my favorite. It's like a nice soft milky pink. They do have like a more fuchsia pink. There's about 5 or 6 other colors, and if I find them I'll put them here as well. So the great thing is not only will this color your hair, but it also is like a hair mask from Moroccan Oil. And bonus, it smells like Moroccan Oil. And I'll just read what the packaging says. So, deposit pure pigments to temporarily refresh, enhance, or customize hair color while providing rich conditioning benefits. Deeply moisturize and imparts brilliant shine, while Argan ID technology helps repair and seal the cuticle. When I was watching some other videos, it was saying that you have to put it on damp hair. So I just came out of the shower. My hair is freshly washed. I'm going to brush it through. It also comes with this little brush, which is fun because you're going to use this brush I can part my hair with it and then actually use it to brush through the product through my hair. So you're supposed to wash your hair first, then you part your hair into 6 parts. You put in the product one section at a time and then you brush it through. You leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes and then you rinse it out. Let's do it! I'm going to start at the bottom half, and just so you're aware, you'll have to take out the tab before you start squeezing the product out. You could do this with gloves, but it won't harm or like dye your hands. So I'm going to squeeze a nice generous amount. Because my hair is quite thick, I think it should have been split in about 8 pieces, but I'll definitely go back in and make sure that I got every part of this section here. Okay guys, this is getting a little bit messy, so I'm just going to shut off the camera, keep going, and I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so as you can see, the product is taking shape very quickly, And I kind of knew this was going to happen because my hair is really thick, so it gets very knotted. But once the product is in, it's a lot easier because it's like silkier to just brush through. So I used my fingers for most of it. But it's funny, the product kind of goes gray. Like it's like the pink stays in your hair, and then, so that's why my hands are not even stained. So very interesting. So I just wanted to share a couple of observations as I'm doing this, and basically I'm just waiting my 5 to 7 minutes. I can tell right away that the hair is catching, especially the lighter pieces in my hair. As far as like logistics, like I was saying, you're gonna probably want to wear, I'm wearing just like a black tank top. It gets a little bit messy here, so you could probably do it in the shower or in the bathroom like I'm doing. I do find that this tube is a little bit like inconvenient because your hands are goopy, and so what I did is I just laid it flat and kind of pressed with one hand and squirted on with the other. So I wish this came in a pump. I feel like having it in a pump format would be a lot easier to use. I only went through probably about half, so I think I can do my whole head one more time with this, and then maybe a couple touch-ups here and there. But I'm surprised that like the product goes a long way. So I'll just do a little spinny spin spin. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, you guys, I just rinsed this out, and I really love it. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like once I blow dry, but I'll do a little spinny once again. Some spots are not perfect, but I love like that gradient, and I think it's gonna make my hair look really nice once it's blow dried because it's gonna give a lot of dimension and depth. Okay, blow dry time. Alright guys, I did a quick blow dry. I love the way this turned out. I find this color is so good for the skin, and it just like adds like a nice rosiness to my complexion. So now I'm gonna toss a couple curls and I'll be right back. Alrighty, here it is, ta-da! I love it. I feel like a mermaid, first of all. Second of all, the Moroccan oil makes your hair really soft, although I have like frizzy hair and it's huge after I wash it. So this is like quite normal for me, but it feels really good, and I feel like one more round could even do some really good to it too. What else? Oh, I'm gonna turn around and I want to show you what happened. So I think I did not put enough of the color inside my head here, so this part looks a little bit more natural, but then I had like slapped on some extra on the top, which is why like the top is actually more intense. But again, I'm not mad about it. I kind of like it. It adds a little bit of dimension, and it's also not like too pink, if that makes sense. But anyways, oh, I love it. Let me know if you guys like this video. I don't really do a lot of like hair transformations, but maybe this is a thing. It takes me a long time because I have so much hair, and it takes me like a good hour to blow dry it and then to style it for you guys. But I thought it would be really cool to capture all of this on video because it's like the first time that I do something kind of drastic at home. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That's the big circle over here. I do a lot of beauty, fashion, and hair videos if that's what you guys want, and just overall great Canadian content. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!